Hello and welcome to my sculpting channel. Today I want to share 5 sculpting TV shows that I just love. There are many out there. It looks like every single year I find new ones, so probably I will do more videos. But I just enjoy it so much. Every time that I watch this show, I want to just create something. Remember, this is a sculpting channel. Subscribe if you like sculpting or just art overall. So let's start. The very first TV show that I want to talk about I have it really deep in my heart because it's about pottery. When I was studying my graphic design degree, I took 3 classes of pottery. This is not the best one, but I just love it. And in this show, more if you like pottery, you can learn a lot of things. I love the challenges. They're not only a great variety, but just the way you have the judges that they go and they actually tell you, hey, this is what will work, this wasn't. And I know that's kind of typically how this type of show goes, but I love that they're not like pick and choosing favors. Just like if you're doing good, you are doing good. And one of the things that I love about these judges too is one of them, his name is Kid Brymer Jones. Hopefully I'm pronouncing it right. But this amazing judge, he's actually one of the big part of the show. One of the things that he does, he actually gets his hand dirty on the clay and create pieces to let the people know this is what I'm looking for. This is the challenge. I'm showing you that I know what I'm talking about. And it's just great to see that he's not just a judge, that probably an artist that is retired or that has been used a lot of time in the industry, which is great. But just seeing really the judge doing the work, I really enjoy that. That was just me. This judge get a little bit emotional, and now it's like a signature of the show, is that this judge cries a lot. To be honest, I don't know if because I saw him or saw the piece, I had 1 or 2 tears too. And I kind of love that. I kind of love that you can see his passion for pottery. You can see the passion of seeing artists that when they learn or they take advice or they just create something more amazing, is emotional. And I love to see that interaction. You have to be proud of what you make and what people can do, and just amazing. You can watch it on HBO. I know right now that they keep doing seasons. Right now, I don't remember if it is only until the 6th season that you can watch on HBO, or they have already all the way to the 8th. Right now, following what internet tells me, they're still creating more season right now in 2025. So it keeps going. So that means that is an amazing show. So if you like pottery, watch this show. I really, really recommend it. So now the next show is kind of a little bit weird. I really enjoy it. I watched it on October, kind of Halloween season. And I'm talking about Outrageous Pumpkin. In this show, it's all about kind of course, Halloween. They have horror themes. One of the things that I was expecting is to be just carving pumpkins. Even one of the judges, actually, they show his portfolio, some of his work, and he does an amazing carving. And I was saying just weird because not only of the pieces that I really enjoy, but also because the first season, I don't know if it was the first time that the judges were judges, but the judging part was like they were not in tune of what they were gonna judge, if that makes sense. Also, you can watch it on HBO, but this show has a mixture of cutout carving and of mechanics, something that surprised me almost every single episode. It looked like the artists, the carvers, they know everything about the electronics, and they can create this mechanics movement and give life to their pieces. They even, some people have like smoke and a flamethrower. I mean, it was amazing to watch all that. It was great. It wasn't the show that I expected, but for sure I enjoy, and I really recommend more if you like pumpkin and Halloween tunes. So now let's go to the next TV show. This show is really great. It just was really intense, at least for me watching it. That's how I enjoy this show, is seeing all these amazing artists creating pieces that are so fragile. No, they're glasses. We know that I spend so many hours in one simple mistake, boom, everything can get shattered, everything can get destroyed. And it happened. It happened in the show with certain people, and just how they recover or how they think, okay, maybe I can do this with the broken pieces. Just really, really interesting. I really love the show. The first season also the judges, they're amazing judges. They have one that she's really good when she's like judging. One of the happen in the contest is that you always maybe have different opinion than the judges. At the end of the day, whatever the judges are looking for is what is going to be the winner. For me in this season, personally, I thought that someone else had better pieces, but at the end of the day, like I mentioned, it's the judges. But that was just my opinion. But everyone is amazing. It's a little bit sad to know that on all these TV shows, the first person to get out of the competition, people don't remember them. No, and to be honest, they don't remember anyone, just the number one, the winner. And that's sad because every single one, even in some show they really say it, every single person just for being there, how amazing that is. No, they're all amazing artists. But I really enjoy. They have different seasons. You can watch this TV show on Netflix, and you can also watch. They have another one that is like especially for like Christmas theme. I enjoyed that one too. So now let's go to the next one. The next one, I study metallurgy, and I love to see people creating with this medium, metal, and create pieces because it's not really such a friendly medium. And I'm talking about Metal Chop Master. This one, I really disappointed that they only did one season. You can also watch it on Netflix, probably because they couldn't find more people doing this type of work, which there are many out there. I really enjoyed seeing those creations. They have also mechanics, movements. They don't have a lot of contestants. They did have different challenges that I really like. It was kind of short, so it's not really much to talk about it, but for sure it was great. Hopefully they will find and create more seasons. In the last one, a lot of people know, Googling online, I saw that they were putting comments that it's not really a sculpting show. But to be honest, to me, it's a sculpting and even way more. And I'm talking about Face Off. This TV show was the very first time that I saw a TV show that was art related, that was sculpting related. And I really enjoy. You have people that they have to sculpt. They have to do these amazing pieces on clay. Then they have to create a mold. Then they have to create a costume. Then they have to apply to create this full costume, these full characters. They put these makeups and this costume through water, through really harsh movements sometimes, and even in front of a camera to be able to be on a movie set, which how cool is that? And to be able to see all the details and everything, and it just look amazing. I really, really enjoy. It had everything that that I love about movie making and creating those characters, of course. And you have amazing also judges and people that have been in the industry. The host is Mackenzie Westmore. Her dad actually goes in to every single participant. He gives his advice. He really tells them, hey, this is what the judges are looking for. It's unbelievable that some people don't listen. And I understand artists, they want to do whatever they want. They want to try to be themselves, express. But if you're in a contest, you should follow some advice. But I really enjoy that interaction. And also they have amazing judges. We have Glenn Hetrix, Van Hill, Neville Page. And they're people that actually they're creating characters for these amazing movies. So for sure they know what they're talking about. One of the things that I really enjoy is how they get close and they judge the characters. To be honest, I would have preferred that the judging part of the TV show was even longer because you could learn a lot of things from them. And it only lasted 13 seasons. You can watch it. Don't remember if Netflix has it. See that you can watch it, I think, one of the free side, like Tubi, I believe. But for sure, this show also, something that I love is that they brought actors, directors, producers, and just it was fun to see the interaction. I wish they had more seasons. They really pushed it. They even brought people from the other seasons, but it looked like it didn't work out. And 13 seasons, they're amazing, no? They have that many. But what do you think? Do you want to know more about other TV shows? Comment that below, subscribe, and see you next time. Enjoy art.